Okay, hello people. This time, i-discuss naman natin about continuity of a function. So a function f of x is continuous at x equal to a if the following conditions are satisfied. So three conditions dapat na masatisfied. First one is f of a is defined. The second one is limit of f of x as x approaches a exists. And yung third one is f of a equal to the limit of f of x as x approaches a. So there will be three steps para masatisfy yung continuity of a function. Okay, so next one is we have the example. So determine natin ang function p of x equal to 3x to the fourth minus 2x plus 1 is continuous at x equal to 1. So evaluate natin, we have 3 times 1 to the fourth minus 2 times 1 is 1. So that will be 3 minus 2 plus 1. So therefore 1 plus 1, that will be 2. How about for the second the second condition? So evaluate natin, which is also 3 times 1 to the fourth minus 2 times 1 plus 1 as x approaches 1. So yun yung at x equal to 1 na interval natin. So evaluate a certain number. So therefore this is always equal to the resulting value, which is 2. So na-evaluate na natin dito and na-evaluate na natin in the first condition. So therefore, we can say that the value of p of 1 is also equal to the limit of p of x. So yung p of x as x approaches 1. So we can say that this is therefore p of x is continuous at x equal to 1. Okay, let's move forward to the second number. So, i-check natin ang value ng f of x equal to x squared plus 3 evaluated x equal to 2. So, check nga natin. So, part A, we have the limit f of 2. The limit as well as the function evaluation. You have f of 2. We have 2 squared plus 3, which is equal to 7. So therefore, we have f of 2 evaluated on this interval equal to or resulting to 7. Second, kailangan natin evaluate under the property of limit. So we have x squared plus 3 as x approaches 2. So therefore, it will result to 2 squared plus 3. That is also 7. So therefore, for letter C, we can say that f of 2 is also equal to the limit of the function f of x as x approaches 2. We can say that therefore the function is continuous. How about for number 3? So we have for number 3, kailangan natin matest ang continuity of a function. So let's have part A. You have yung f of 1. So kailangan natin unahin ang may equality. So unahin natin ito. So f of 1 equal to or resulting to 1. So we have the value. For the second one is we will be using the limit. So we will be using the limit property, the limit of absolute value of x as x approaches 1. So therefore equal to 1. And how about letter C? So you have also the value of f of x is also equal to the value of x or the limit of the function absolute value of x as x approaches 1. Okay, sa graph, kung i-graph mo siya, how does it look like? So for the graph, it looks like the following. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So since this is an absolute value, so the graph of absolute value is, it looks like this. So you have 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So this is an open for the absolute value. So you have the following graph. So yung pangalawa naman is you have a solid dot. So ibig sabihin, you have also a value which is a solid dot here. So yung isa is open dot and yung isa is solid dot. Okay? So ibig sabihin, sa graph na ito magkapatong ang function na absolute value of x and yung a point of f of 1 equal to 1. So therefore, you have also a continuous function. Okay, given a piecewise function. Yan. Okay po. So therefore, we can say that the function is continuous. Okay, so this time, gagawa kayo or you're going to have an exercises to test the following functions if it is continuous. And you'll be applying the proper concepts of continuity of a function, yung 3 steps. You have the following: evaluation of function, the use of limit properties, and you have the last part is f of x equal to the limit of f of x as x approaches a. Okay? See you